This is a second example about solving system of equations using elimination. As I noticed before in my previous video, something that you have to do is look for opposites. In this case, I don't have any opposites. Let me write this. This is actually question number 6 from your papers. I don't have any opposites, but I do notice that I have this positive y and that positive y. And I think to myself, what is something that I can do in order to make to have opposites on one of my equations? And this is what I'm going to do. In order to make this positive y and opposite of that y, I'm going to multiply my first equation by -1. And that will give me negative 8x minus y is equal to -1 times -16 is positive 16. And I'm going to rewrite my second equation, which is -3x plus y equals to -5. Now that I have found opposites, I'm going to combine my equations. I'm adding vertically one more time. So it will be -8x plus -3x, that is -11x. Negative y plus positive y cancels out. And 16 plus -5 is also, well, it's 11. When I divide by -11 on both sides, x gives me -1. Now I'm going to substitute the value of -1 into one of my original equations, and I'm going to choose the second one in this case. So I will be left with 3 times -1 plus y is equal to -5. 3 times -1 is positive 3. And then to solve for y, I just subtract 3 from both sides. Y is equal to -5 minus 3 is -8. Last part is make sure that you write them as an order pair. And always check your answers. 8 times -1 is -8. Minus 8 is -16. -3 times -1 is positive 3. Minus 8 is -5. So it works for both equations.